Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. Today we're looking at another new arrival. It's the 2022 BMW M550i xDrive sedan. Alright, so here we have the 2022 BMW M550i in Black Sapphire Metallic. Just got polished up, ready for delivery. So this one, as you can see, has the beautiful BMW Laserlight Headlights, which looks fantastic. Let me just get those headlights on there for you. We have high gloss black exterior content, so everything is nicely blacked out. No cerium gray. And we also have these beautiful 20-inch Y-spoke 846M wheels in bicolor with red M Sport brakes. Now we do also have the M badging on the fender because we're in Canada, and this car looks crazy all blacked out like this. Let's get the tail lights on there for you. So I'm still really digging this LCI design. Got that nice freeform exhaust with the dual tips in the center there. Nice rear diffuser. And there's the other exhaust. Car looks absolutely phenomenal. Now let's take a look inside the trunk here. So we've got ample amount of space. We have your little storage bin down here where you're going to find your wheel lock key and your tow hook. The release levers to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split with a center pass-through. Another little storage bin down here. And we've got the buttons up here to close. Now in the back seating area, we've got some rear sunshades here that you can pull out here as well as here. And we've got beautiful M door sill down here. This one has a Bowers & Wilkins diamond sound system. We've also got beautiful M seat belts in here. Let me just put this headrest down. All right, and we also have, let me just unbuckle that. We've got the armrest in the center here with the cup holders, right? And we have pockets on the back of the seats, vents on the back of the center console with rear heated seats, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports and a 12-volt plug. It's really nice back here. Alright, so I just took my shoes off and I'm in the back seat. Headroom wise, my hair is not touching the ceiling and I still have some space up here, so headroom, great. Knee room, lots of space. And yeah, very comfortable back here, as you'd expect from the back of a 5 Series. Alright, so now let's take a look if we open the front passenger door. So we've got blue ambient light going on here. Front door sill says M550i, which looks great. We've got the winter floor mats in there. Ambient lighting is on max brightness. We've got iDrive 7. And this one actually also has ambient air package, so I've just pressed that down there. I've already installed both scents, so we've got, I don't know, waft of glittering pearls or something and shimmering sand. I don't know what that's supposed to smell like, but apparently there's different smells that come on to make you feel better if you've been driving and you weren't feeling good without those smells. Now entering from the driver's side, so the car was just tinted, so we've got a little sticker here saying not to put down the windows, but just underneath here there's some buttons here. So there's one button here that controls the rear sunshade, which is nice. We've also got the memory seats and massage seats here. Bowers & Wilkins, M550 door sill, full suite of power seat controls here, and we've got the beautiful black interior. We've got live cockpit professional, we have heads-up display, M Sport steering wheel, and there's no wireless charger in this car as to be expected. But this car looks really good inside and is really comfortable as well. Alright, so I just want to give you guys a chance to see this beautiful, look at this, N63 V8 twin power turbo, 523 horsepower. Wow, what a beast. Alright, so let me just give you guys a chance to see the vehicle from a further viewing angle so you can see what this car would look like if it was rolling up on you or if you had it in your driveway. Alright, so we're inside. Can't really start revving it and whatnot, but I can remote start the car. So 1, 2, 3. Let's wait for 4 seconds. Alright everyone, so that was my quick tour of this brand new 2022 BMW M550i in Black Sapphire Metallic. This car looks fantastic, it sounds fantastic, and unfortunately I didn't get a chance to show you what it's like to drive it because it's already sold. But hopefully one day in the future I can make a video like that on this type of vehicle. But for now, I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.